Hi, I'm Dan Karr. I'm the founder of ValChoice. At ValChoice, our mission is to bring transparency to insurance in terms of how it's priced, how well companies pay claims, and the overall service they offer. Today, we're answering questions about how car insurance is priced. Kathleen from Arizona would like to know if comprehensive insurance is the same thing as full coverage insurance. The terms around auto insurance can get very confusing, so we're going to simplify that here. Think of it in two ways: liability and full coverage. Liability insurance means you're buying the state minimum. That's what the state requires you to have to drive a car. Full coverage means you're adding more to that in order to protect yourself in situations where the state doesn't care if you protect yourself. They only care if the bills get paid if somebody else gets hurt. So in full coverage insurance, that's where comprehensive comes in. So comprehensive covers events that are out of your control as a driver. So it could be a flood, a hailstorm, hitting an animal that crosses the road, theft or vandalism, those types of things. That's what's in comprehensive insurance. This gets even more confusing when you're shopping for insurance because typically insurance companies offer a lot of options. And so now there's slightly different pricing options based on different coverage amounts. We make it very easy to understand. We have the ValChoice car insurance calculator. We give you 4 options from state minimum to what we call an excellent option. You can enter these, toggle back and forth between these, and see what you can expect to have happen in the car insurance price that you pay based on the type of coverage that you select, whether it includes comprehensive or doesn't include comprehensive. We want to help you find the best insurance at the best price.